guys, today myself, Adam, and the little nugget are gonna show you how to make a vegan meatloaf. It is gluten-free, super easy to make, really delicious, tastes meaty, and it's great for meal prep. So let's get started. The first step is you're gonna put your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then you're gonna make a flax egg. Now the flax egg is in replacement of an egg and it's gonna help bind the meatloaf together. So all we're gonna do is 6 tablespoons of water, and now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ground flax meal. Stir together with a fork, and as you can see right now, it just looks like liquid, but when we come back to this, it'll be all like gloopy. Now you're gonna cut up all of your vegetables and have them ready to go. So first you're gonna chop up your onion and garlic, but we totally forgot that we do not have garlic right now. So if you have garlic, you should use 4 cloves of garlic in this recipe. And then you're gonna chop up the carrots, celery, and mushrooms. And you can find all of these ingredients in the description box below so that you know how much you need to chop.
You're gonna put your flame on high, you're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, beautiful, and then we're gonna go straight in with our onions.
And garlic.
You're gonna mix them all together with the olive oil, and you're gonna saute for 5 minutes on about a medium-high heat. And if you're comfortable to prepare all this at the same time like we normally do, you can feel free now to jump over and start cutting all the vegetables. But today's episode, we pre-cut everything.
Wow.
That's how we did.
Fancy.
Yeah. So the onions are done, it's been 5 minutes. Give them a nice toss, nice and golden. We're gonna go straight in with our celery, carrots, give them a toss. Hey.
Whoa.
Sorry, Adam black to get them everywhere. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm.
And then mushrooms. Here we go with mushrooms. Now you can just mix it in. So we're going to pop on a lid and we're going to cook it for another 3 minutes. So after the veggie saute, we're going to be adding in some ketchup. And you guys know we love Sir Kensington's ketchup. You check our Instagram, we're using Sir Kensington's almost every day. And so they have 2 types. They have the regular ketchup, the classic ketchup, and they have jalapeno one. We're going to be using the classic today. And guys, it's non-GMO, it's organic, it's got no high fructose corn syrup, it's the only ketchup that we use. And so it's gonna go in, and we're gonna go with it right now.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
What the heck just happened? Ketchup
Look at it.
explosion.
It's upside down. It's too much pressure in there. Oh my God.
Well, at least you're wearing red.
Yep, well, we're gonna go with a quarter cup. That is not a review of how the ketchup works. That is
That was just an Adam
that's
fail.
Adam. That's an Adam fail. That's hashtag classic Adam.
It's a little special sometimes.
What this ketchup's going to do is it's going to start to fry up on the bottom. It's going to get all golden and brown. All this stuff on the bottom, guys, is amazing. This is where all the flavour is. You want all this goldenness on the bottom. You want to scrape in all the tomato into there. Move it all around the pan. And let's cook for 2 minutes.
Beautiful.
And I'm going to get this off.
What the heck?
Nah, it's good.
Oh, yeah.
That's good stuff.
Oh, yeah. See, it was fate that you wore red today.
Oh yeah.
It's on the floor, too?
It's on the floor too.
Oh, my God.
It's all over the mat.
You're gonna finish with
Stain.
this,
Yeah, well, baby's gonna be here soon and we'll have poop and pee and spew and snot everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Now every time I get anything on me, Adam's like, what? In like 3 months, you're gonna have poop everywhere.
That's right. He's gonna be like, is it poop or chocolate? Chocolate. It's been 2 minutes. We're gonna turn the heat off. We're gonna open the lid up.
Woo.
Hey, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. In we go, red wine vinegar. And 2. This is gonna deglaze the pan. It's gonna get all the nice sediment off the bottom. All the caramelization off the bottom. Oh yeah. If you don't have red wine vinegar, you can always add a little bit of water. And I might even add a little bit of water as well. Just gonna help deglaze it. And we got a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons.
What about like apple cider vinegar?
Any vinegar would work really, but red wine would be my #1 choice.
Get all the flavors.
Yeah, the acidity in the vinegar is gonna help take all the flavor off the bottom of the pan. You know, when you see like it's starting to get caramelly smear to it, that glaze.
Yummy.
Beautiful.
So, we have another edition of Steph's Pregnant Brain. I accidentally put the battery in the wrong way, and now it is stuck. So, we are pausing while Adam tries to get it out.
It's in there good.
Ay, ay, ay. How does that even happen?
I'm gonna pull this whole thing apart.
And we're back because Adam was able to get the battery out. That was only like a 15-minute delay, but it's all good. We're back to making the meatloaf. So all you're gonna do now is add the sauteed veggies into a blender or a mixer or
A
whatever.
food processor.
Food processor. Wow, these look meaty.
Mm-hmm.
Super.
What are you doing? What are you
See,
doing?
pregnant brain.
What are you doing?
Like, why did I do that?
What is wrong with you? What is happening?
Leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about, ladies. Your brain just does like weird things.
Mm-hmm.
My body's working really hard, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna blend this up for about 10 seconds. Now to get that meaty flavor, we're gonna add in a can of black beans and a can of pre-cooked lentils. Go with the black beans.
Yep.
And the lentils. And blend that together for another 10 seconds. Look at that. Doesn't it look meaty? Totally looks like ground beef. All right, we're gonna push down the sides. We're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, about a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings. So this is our flax egg. You can see how thick it is now. It's like way goopier. It's not really a liquid anymore. Now it's more like an egg, that egg white consistency. So we're gonna add that right in. And lastly, we're gonna add in 1 cup of a gluten-free flour of your choice. You can add whatever kind you want. Oh.
Go.
Lastly, I forgot, 1 tablespoon. Oh, pleasant. 1 tablespoon, heaping tablespoon of Sir Kensington's ketchup, our fave. Blend it all together. All right, let's check it out and scrape down the sides. Only blended for like 10 seconds again. This does not take a long time. Look at that. Does that look beefy or what?
Looks like beef to me.
I'm gonna try it. Oh, that is the stuff.
It's the beef.
So good. Push it all down, blend one more time, and then put it in the oven. Parchment paper.
Pan.
Put it in the pan, the loaf pan. Man, I'm only 30 weeks. What's gonna happen in the next couple of videos?
Oh my god.
And that's it. So really the blending time for all of that was like less than a minute. Line our loaf pan with some parchment paper. You gonna do your trick or you just want me to do it like this?
Nope, gotta do the trick.
Alright,
You can do it. Are we switching or you can do it?
I can do it. I'm just
Pregnancy brain. Nope, switch. Lay your parchment paper down, curly side down. You're gonna make a cut from the corner all the way to the edge. Like that, and you're gonna do it on all 4 sides. Make a cut. Like that, all the way to the edge. And then you gotta put it inside. Watch this.
Well, since you're there, you might as well just keep going. How's your stain going?
Oh yeah?
Look, can't even see it. Look.
Oh, you can't even
Beautiful.
see it. Yeah, good job. Dash of olive oil, like a little boop.
Sir Kensington's does not stain.
You're just gonna move the olive oil on the bottom. There we go. Make sure you push it into the sides. And you want the middle to be like the lowest point because it will rise from the center.
Mmm.
Wiggle, 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 yeah.
We need a layer. We need a good layer.
Wiggle, 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 yeah. And I'm just gonna
make a beautiful glaze.
You know, this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like this.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. I'm watching you.
Oh, okay. I was having fun.
No, okay. Decorating?
Yeah, I like a little sweet, nice swirl, right?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm ready. Go.
In the oven. 1 hour. Beautiful. I've got that one.
So obviously you can use this meatloaf as just like a nightly meal with your family, or you can turn it into meal prep. So while you have this hour that it's in the oven, you can go and make any of the 6 Thanksgiving sides that we made in a video 2 days ago. And if you missed that video, we'll leave a link to it in the description box below and at the end of this video. All 6 of these sides took us an hour to make. So you could totally turn this meatloaf into like a whole prep if you wanted to. You could easily go and make the mashed potatoes and the string beans, for example, and then you would have meatloaf, string beans, and mashed potatoes. So you can use this hour to complete the meal or just have it as a meatloaf to eat whenever. It's ready.
Here we go. Let's get it out. Oh, stuck.
New oven, we're still learning how to work it.
Hey, there
Oh.
you go. There you go. Meatloaf.
Beautiful. So what do? Do we let it cool down before you cut it?
Yeah, definitely let it cool down before you cut it. Easy as that, guys.
We want to give a special thanks to our friends at Sir Kensington's for partnering with us on this video, as always.
That's right. And if you want to send us pictures of your food, make sure to send them over on Instagram. You can tag us at Steph and Adam. And we love seeing them.
And you can tag Sir Kensington's too.
That's right.
We hope you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you next week.
Bye guys.
Namaste.